Okay, a random question for you. Suppose I ask GPT that get me or find the best AI internships available in India, compare them and recommend me based on my resume and portfolio. What do you think? How will AI do that? I know most of the beginners think that I'll write the prompt, it goes to LLM and gives you the output. It's a linear chain, it's a linear process. It's not. Oh, now you're wondering it's not linear, then how does it work? I'll answer that in today's question. So let's start with how does a human being solve a particular problem? What do we generally do? We divide it into multiple steps, and if we go wrong somewhere, we check it again and we repeat the loop over and over again until we get to the final answer. This is what we do, and we'll do the exact same thing using LangGraph. And it's a much better approach because instead of going in a linear pipeline where if we get an error, we can't even go back and correct ourselves. So LangGraphs gives us some basic building blocks to convert this linear pipeline into a workflow. Now, how do we make this workflow? Right? So we have the major task that we have to solve. We divide it into multiple steps. The logic of each step is written inside a Python function, right? So each function is a node in our workflow. So now I'll start calling these functions as node. So node contains the main logic of that one particular step. Next comes the memory. Each of these nodes needs some memory to perform their task. That information is stored in something called state. We defined a central state. All the nodes can access this central state and they can update it. Imagine central state as a Python dictionary. And as we move on further and further into our workflow or graph, these nodes keep updating this state and we keep getting closer to our final answer. Now we have the nodes, we have the information. How these nodes are connected? There comes the edges. So these edge defines the connection between node A and B or any two nodes. And this could be a conditional edge as well. Suppose we are at node B and one particular property of the state is true, we choose path A, otherwise we choose path B. So this is LangGraph. What we have done, we went from linear pipeline to a workflow where we have individual steps called nodes. They are connected via edges, and what flows between these nodes is nothing but state, and these nodes keep updating the state. This is it, guys. This is it. LangGraph is easy and very simple. So in the next video, what I'll do, I'll make a project using LangGraph so that you'll understand it much better. You'll understand the practical implication of LangGraph. Now, as of now, I hope you understand the theory and what exactly is LangGraph, why do we need it, what is LangGraph, and how does it implement the workflow. That's it for this video, guys.